trucker coffee. First thing, you got 2 collapsible pour-over filter holders, portable grinder, coffee beans, take the beans with the grinder, little top to the grinder. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Run the coffee. I mean, this beats truck stop coffee every day of the week. And if you've never done pour over coffee at home, you need to start because it's the best coffee. But now we have it. Look at that. You gotta shake it out a little bit. Put it back together. Put it in this fancy little bag. Alright. Now I'm going to get our cups. Oh, and you see our water kettle? It's plugged in right there. This goes on top of the cup. But as soon as that blue light goes off, the water's hot. It shouldn't be too much longer now. There it is. First thing you do is you put just enough in there to bloom the coffee. You gotta What it's doing is dripping down through there and filling your cup full of coffee. And it's good. I'm excited. That's it. And you do this, just keep pouring it in until it's completely full.
Voila.
Voila. Cut.